Yeah. No, 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 no. 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 No means no. What's up, guys? I'm Unexpected Donut. Welcome back to the AG Show. This is Rain World. I've been waiting for a year to play this. Now, I first ran into this back at PAX East a year ago, and I actually got to play the game on the floor, and I met some of the developers, and they're really cool people, and it was just really cool to be able to play a game before it was actually released, so I was super stoked about it. And I have my own slugcat. Ooh, I'm so excited. Guys, you have no idea. I'm so excited. And I just a quick thing. I think I mentioned it in the PAX East video vlog that I made. But I spent like 2 hours looking for this guy. And he's the one, my love of stuffed animals and all things cute led me to this game, and I'm just so happy that it's finally out and I can finally play it. So I am going to play with the controller, as you can tell, because my face always turns blue when I use the controller. Let's get started. Oh, cool. Oh, look at It's so cool that they have a whole intro. No! I guess this is gonna make me cry. I'm gonna don't be doing this. Don't make me sad. Oh, dude, that was intense, yo. It's so cool to see how much they've, like, changed stuff and added stuff. Oh my goodness. Jump, B, throw, pick up, eat. Okay, so, like, the map is still pretty much the same of what, okay. So the whole premise of this is to, I guess judging from that, you got split up with your family. You were hungry, find some food. So now you're kind of trying to survive, and you have to take care of yourself, find food and survive before the rain comes. Can I eat that thing? Pretty sure I can only eat bats. Okay, we're like in trouble because I can't find anything. Where is everything? I'm gonna go back. It was really cool to play this at PAX East, and that's the first time I've ever been to PAX East. So it was really cool to... What? Oh, okay, cool. So it looks like they changed it so that you can actually eat fruits now, because when I played this originally, you could only eat bats. Of course, it was a lot easier to find bats. This seems like it got a little bit harder, but it's just this. But that was the first time I've ever been to PAX East, and it's the first time I've ever been to any kind of gaming convention. So it's really cool to see something that I got to play now being shared with everybody. Didn't I come from here? Oh boy. Dang, how am I gonna... We might be in trouble on this one. I just remember liking the design so much. Okay, so how do I get it back? But anyway, there's a big rain that comes, so then you have to... There we go, there's the map. Okay, so how do I... Where is me home? So I'm there. I think I have to go back. Shoot. Crap, where's my... Ooh, I just hit the mic. Where... Oh, no. Where is my house? I go through here. Maybe go up here. What is that lizard dude? What? Oh wait, is this a tutorial? Oh, it's teaching me stuff. Got it. Wait, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Crap, 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 crap. Crap-a-lacka-lacka-lacka-lacka. There you go. Here's my house. This place is safe. Stay here to hibernate. You got it, bro. I did it! But yeah, I remember the full out panic the first time I played this. I was like, ugh. Yay, I did it. So the whole purpose of this... What? The whole purpose is to survive and make sure... Go explore the food, but beware of predators. But you have to be aware of predators, and then you can't be stuck in the rain when that happens. What are you telling me? Wait, what? I didn't see what that said. Come back here, you little lizard. Yeah. Let's go in here. Yeah! Smorgasbord. Woo! Wait. Oh. Oh man, this makes me so happy. I'm not doing very well. I thought that time that I thought I was good at a game. Yeah. No, I want to go up here. Can I not get up there? There you go. That's what I wanted. There we go. And then... But yeah, as you explore new parts of the map, I believe you can find more hiding places and more... and another nest. Whoa. Oh, oh, oh. I died. I thought that was a vine. It was death. Let's try it again. And another thing you have to remember when you're playing this game is where you are. Oh yeah, and these are the bad guys. And I remember... Oh, oh, oh god. Oh god. No, thank you. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back here. I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna go the other way. But those weird lizard creatures, I remember they had like the stuffed animals of those. But I was just happy to get my hands on a slugcat. Nope. There we go. So I think the little blue pings are where you can find food. How do I get up there? Let's go over here, because there's like all this that I haven't explored. Ooh, doing roly-poly. Yeah, so my house was over here. Yeah. Can I get through here? I don't think I can. So can I not get through there yet? Never mind, I guess I can't go that way. And then I think that icon at the bottom left, I think that shows you how much time you have left before the rain comes. In which case you have to get back to shelter. Let me tell you, when that rain comes, it's terrifying. Come on, get up. Okay. So I think I'm gonna have to go where that lizard dude is. They're scary. Oh, hello. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's go in here. Uh-oh, there's two lizard dudes. Oh no, oh no. Hello. Crap. No. Oh, okay. I'm balancing on this. Good times. No! Ugh. I'm the worst. No, why can't I? There we go, that's what I wanted. No. Crap. There's gotta be another shelter here somewhere. Where the heck am I going? Oh no! Eee! No thank you. I don't want any cookies from you. You can fight with each other. What is that? What is that thing? That lizard dude. Not the lizard, that, yeah, that weird little thing going on there. Where the heck am I? Yeah, see, I'm like running out of time. So, crap. I'm not going to be able to get back to my nest in time unless I can find another nest here somewhere. Yeah! No, 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 no. 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 No means no. Can I go? Cool. Can this be my nest? I just wanna go home. Can I stay in here? Come on. Okay, so that is bad. I think that, because it's like pulsing. I think that was the thing that killed me before. Okay, is there a place? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Is there a place to go? I am so lost. Okay, this is definitely not where I want to be. Shit. Crap. Yeah, this means the rain's coming. I think I flipped it. Yes, yes, yes. Go, go, go. Can I? And like, you're not safe in like this area. Oh, crap. Come on. Oh no. Shit. Titties. Oh crap. I think I'm dead. Yeah, I died. So I think I'm going to stop it here. I didn't... As you can tell, it's a very big board. And I remember it being a really large board. And just... It's the biggest thing that I learned when I first played it, is just to keep an eye on the map and keep an eye on where you have to go. But then there are other, like, nests that you can make. But it can get so confusing. And as you can tell, the board is huge and you can get so lost. But let me know if you guys want to see more of this game. I love this game to death. I would love to play more of it. Let me know if it interests you. But it is a lot of fun. I'm so glad that Rain World is actually out where everybody can play it. It's on Steam. It's like $15. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. But Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button down below. If you really liked it and want to see more, please subscribe. And just remember, you're awesome, talented, and special, and I can't wait to see you here again. Thanks. Bye. Bye.